Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about import statements. Import statements are used to include other style sheets within a style sheet. This is helpful for modularizing your styles and keeping your code organized. So let us discuss with an help of example. So here if you are going to notice the import statements, so we are having a HTML document. On the right side, we are having a CSS document, and we are going to set the right side file as a separate file called styles.css. So now how we are going to import this particular document to the HTML file. So within the style tag, we are going to use a tag called import preceded by the symbol @ So now here we are going to give the URL styles.css. So now here just within the body section we have given the @import in CSS and the paragraph with some text within the body section. Let us discuss this particular example import by using an example. So let us open the VS Code. So now here in the VS Code, so what we have done usually by using the link tag. So link relation equal to type text or CSS and by using a hyperreference. So but here what we have done, within the style tag only we have imported the style file name dot CSS. So now what I am going to do is, so here I am going to remove the link tag. So now I am going to use the style tag. So now here I am going to close the style tag. So already it has shown the style tag. So now what I am going to do is I am going to use the symbol @import the particular URL element. So what is the URL element? So here I am going to use the file name exter.css. Exter.css is the file name. So now open with the live server. So now it has been shown the styles are being applied by using the external style sheets.